Hello, dear aspirants. This is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. And our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So, if you have any mathematical query, doubts, or anything, so please feel free to contact. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also, and rather you can drop an email to our email ID, which is souravsirclasses@gmail.com, if you have any doubts or any mathematical query or anything. Okay, so then you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, our online classes, so that can be beneficial for you. That means that can be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI, TIFR, NVHM, PUMDET also. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay. So now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the PUMDET in the year of 2024, and the question is telling us that let n belongs to n, then the complex number root 3 plus I by 2 whole to the power n is purely imaginary if and only if there are four options here, which are n congruent to 0 mod 6, n congruent to 1 mod 6, n congruent to 2 mod 6, and the fourth option is our n congruent to 3 mod 6. Okay, so what can be done? I, so yeah, what can we do with this question? So firstly, we have to think about our given thing. That means we have to analyze the expression, which is z equals to root over of 3 plus I by 2 whole to the power n. Okay, and we have to determine when it is purely imaginary. So now we are going to express in polar form. So we will get then r equals to will be root over of root 3 by 2, that's whole square, plus we will get whole square, plus we will get half square. So we will get root over of 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So that will be root over of 1. So that is equals to 1. Because our radius is a positive term, so we have to take only the positive value. So now we are going to find the argument of it. So what will our argument be? So our argument will be theta equals to tan inverse, that is 1 by root 3, because we will get half by root 3 by 2. That means we will get half by root 3 by 2. Then we will get tan inverse 1 by root 3. So that is equals to pi by 6. We all know that. So our argument is my pi by 6. So now thus we can write that our given thing will be, let me yeah, shift the screen. Okay. So then we can write our root over of 3 plus I by 2, that will be equals to e to the power I pi by 6. Okay. So now we are going to compute the power of it. So now we can see that, or we can write that, yeah. So z equals to, that will be e to the power I pi by 6 whole to the power n. So that is equals to e to the power I n pi by 6. Okay. So now for z to be purely imaginary, we have to take the real part must be 0. So that is equals to, we know that cos of n pi by 6 plus that will be sine of n pi by 6. Yes, up to that we know everything. So after that we have to do that. So we have to get this part should be 0 if we get our purely imaginary value of z. So this thing will be 0 when our cos n pi by 6 is equals to 0, and that thing happens only when our n pi by 6 is equals to pi by 2, or rather we can write that k plus half pi. Then we can write that pi and pi will be cancelled out because they are the non-zero numbers. So we can write that our n will be equals to 6k plus 3. That means our n is congruent to 3 mod 6. Okay. So this is our correct answer of this question. So what are the options are? They are n n congruent to 0 mod 6, n congruent to 1 mod 6, n congruent to 2 mod 6, and our n congruent to 3 mod 6. So our option D is the correct answer of this given question. So again, I am telling that if you have any other queries or any other things, so please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. So you can join as a student to our institution, then you can enjoy all the services of our institution. That means you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Saurav's classes. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.